Is your IKEA Vimmern faucet looking like that when you turn it on full blast? Well, there's a little restrictor in here. There's another video where the guy shows you how to get it out of there. I've already done it, but anyways, you unscrew this from this. You just unscrew here. Then there'll be a little restrictor in here. While the other guy's video made it look very easy to pop out. Mine was not easy at all. I actually had to break it out. I'll show you that. So, just don't think it's always nice and easy to get it out, especially if your faucet's 3 years old like mine is. You might have to bust it out of there, but the improvement's worth it. So you just really got to crank on it. Get yourself a good sized screwdriver. And just really go at it. Feels like I'm going to break the whole faucet, but we'll see what happens. And there we go. Broke it out of there. So it will no longer be restricted. It will also no longer do the 2-button dealio. But if you want a blast of water, that's the only option. The other video with the guys gentle pushing out wasn't happening. The only way that thing was coming out was getting busted out. So I don't know if this is helpful for you. You probably didn't want to break it. I didn't really necessarily want to break it, but I didn't want it to be restricted either, so it broke. Maybe it's just from corrosion. We've had ours for 3 years now, so there's the other piece. Maybe the other guy, maybe his is brand new. That's probably the case, because I'm sure there's lots of corrosion on there. So anyways, hopefully this helps you out. Let's go test it out and see what it looks like. Yeah, I'm going to say that's a little bit better. You only have to turn it on about halfway now for all the water pressure you would want. Full blast is like almost a fire hose coming out of there, so if that's what you're after, give it a thumbs up, and we'll catch you on the next one.